Hi everyone, this is Ramesh Babu. Welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to discuss about the number of diagonals and forming a committee and forming a group, and all those I will discuss. So first, now here we can observe, before going to start the number of diagonals, first we need to know about the number of straight lines, number of triangles, number of quadrilaterals. For example, if I have taken n points are on the circumference of the circle are given. So then how many number of straight lines are possible? Here NC2. How many triangles are possible? NC3. And how many quadrilaterals are possible? NC4. So straight line means compulsory we require 2 points. Just you can observe here. If I taken 2 point here, 1 point here and 1 point. So if I draw here, then it will be straight line is possible. So compulsory, if you want to draw the straight line, compulsory we require 2 points. If I taken 3 points, here you can observe that, here you can see this is another line and this is another line. So that means 3C2. So 3C2 means here you can observe this, 3C2. 3C2 means 3 into 2 by 2, 2 cancel, then it will be 3. So 3 lines are possible, obviously. Now number of triangles. If you want triangle, compulsory we require 3 points. That is only a 3 points. So if you have taken 3 points, then it will be one triangle will be possible. Like that quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram. So if you want to draw any one, then we require compulsory 4 points. That's why NC4. That one you need to remember. Now, coming to the point, number of diagonals. In this number of diagonal, if you have taken any polygon, here you can observe this. Here the polygon has n sides. The number of diagonals in it is NC2 minus n. So just you can observe here, diagonals, if you want diagonal is nothing but straight line. Just you can observe, I will take one example, then you can understand clearly. Just you can observe here, if I take a rectangle, just you can observe here. If I take a rectangle, just you can observe here, this is one diagonal and this is another diagonal. But here you can observe here, this is one side, one line, this is another line, this is third line, this is fourth line. If you have taken 4 lines, 4 sides, then 2 diagonals are possible. But here how many straight lines are there? You can observe this here. Here you can observe this. How many straight lines are there here? Actually 4 points. Here you can observe this. Here it is quadrilateral, na? 4 points are there. 4 points means how many straight lines are possible here? 4C2 straight lines are possible. 4C2 means 4 into 3 by 2. So 2 in this, 2 times cancel, then 2 3 is a 6. 6, actually here 6 straight lines are possible. But all those 6 straight lines are not diagonals. That one you need to remember. So here you can observe this. This first one, second one, what I have marked, first one, second one, third one and fourth one, those are sides of the polygon. So here you can observe this. If you subtract these 4 sides, then you will get the 2 diagonals. So here how many? So here we can just observe this, 4C2 minus 4, nothing but 6 minus 4, that equals to 2. 2 diagonals are possible. If you have taken a rectangle like this, if you have taken pentagon, any one you can take. If you have taken any one, then you can find out easily. So that one you need to remember. Why you are subtracting now? Here sides we need to subtract. Here total straight lines, here NC2 is the straight line, total number of straight lines formula. So here there are 6 straight lines will be possible. In those all straight lines are not diagonals. So we need to subtract the sides. That is only you need to remember. number of diagonals equals to number of diagonals is equal to NC2 minus N. Sometimes we can use this one, or else you can use direct formula. For shortcut purpose we can simplify this one. NC2 formula is N into N minus 1 by 2 minus N. We can take 2 is the LCM. If you have taken 2 LCM, N square minus N minus 2N. N inside I multiplied, then here 2 I have taken LCM. After that it will be N, we need to take, first I can write N square minus 3N by 2. N I can take common, N into N minus 3 by 2. This is the another formula we can use. So here only we can write, either you can use NC2 minus N or N into N minus 3 by 2 formula we can use. That one you need to remember. Now we will do few examples, then you can understand clearly. Just you can observe that in this question, just you can observe that a polygon has 44 diagonals is given. Find the number of its sides. We need to find out the sides. A direct diagonal is given. So given that number of diagonals means NC2 minus N equal to 44 is given. So if I simplify this one, what will I get? N into N minus 3 by 2 equal to 44. Just cross multiply. If I cross multiply, N into N minus 3 equal to 88. After this, just we can take one equation 1. Directly we can verify. No need to do simplification. So just verify. Option 1, 36 you can substitute. So 36 into 33, it will be big value. It is not possible. 8 you can take, 8 into 8 minus 3, so 5. 8 5 is 40, not possible. 11 you can take, 11 into 11 minus 3, 8. 11 8 is 88, so obviously possible. By verification we can do directly, we can write N equal to 11 is the possible. So if I substitute N equals to 11, so option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Or else directly we can do this one, no issue about that one. Directly I can do like this. From this one, N inside I need to multiply, N square minus 3N equal to 88. 88 if you are taking this side, minus 88 equals to 0. Factorization, if I did factorization, N square, so 11 8s. So 11 N plus 8N minus 88 equals to 0. So just I need to do factorization. This one I need to write like this by using factorization. Now you can observe here, I need to take N, I need to take common N minus 11. Here plus 8 I need to take common N minus 11 equal to 0. So N minus 11 I need to take common N plus 8. So N equal to 11 and N is not equal to minus 8 because sides na. So option N equal to 11 is the correct answer. Like this way also we can do. Next. If a polygon has 25 sides, then number of diagonals we need to find out. So no issue about that one. Just given that N equal to 25 sides is given, now we need to find out the number of diagonals. Therefore, number of diagonals equal to N into N minus 3 by 2 is the formula. So N into N minus 3 by 2 means here you can observe this. N value is 25, not 25 into 25 minus 3, 22 by 2. So 2 in this 11 times cancel. So 25 into 11. So 2 5 5 2. So 5 7 2. 275 is the answer. 275. Option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Next. Here you can see this. In a plane, there are n points and no 3 of them are collinear. So, except k points, that means k points only collinear points, remaining all are non-collinear points. Now, what is the condition now? We need to find out the number of straight lines that can be formed by joining them. So, we need to find out the number of straight lines. So, here you can need to observe that we need to find out the number of straight lines. If n points is given, then our number of straight lines equals to number of straight lines for n points equal to nc2. Number of straight line for n points is nc2. Now, here you can observe this. These n points are non-collinear points, but k points are lie on the same line. Lie on the same line means collinear points. In those also straight lines are possible now. So, number of straight lines for k points equal to kc2. Now, number of straight lines that can be formed by joining them. So, just you can observe that, therefore, required straight lines equals to total number of straight lines minus kc2. Those are kc2, why I am subtracting now? So, here collinear points I am subtracting, but collinear points all will be treated as only one line. The definition of the collinear points is given points lie on the same line. So, that one we need to add, that is most important, you need to remember. That's why here we added 1. So, whenever if collinear points and non-collinear points is given, then number of straight lines formula is nc2 minus kc2 plus 1. Here k points are collinear points, n points are non-collinear points. Same thing like triangle, but here 1 is not added. Why it is 1 is not added? For 3 points, if it is 3 points, then triangles is possible. So, nc3. For collinear points, kc3. But why here plus 1 is not added? So, these k points lie on the same line. K points lie on the same line means it doesn't form the triangle because those are collinear points. So, it is not possible. That's why here 1 is not added. That one you need to remember. So, if you did few example, you can understand clearly. Now, you can observe here. What is the given question? 30 points in a plane. So, that means n equal to 30 points is given. And 8 of them are collinear. That means k points are 8. And here you can observe that the number of straight lines that can be formed by joining these points. We need to find out the number of straight lines. So, required formula. So, required straight lines equals to, what is the formula? nc2 minus kc2 plus 1. Because collinear points means lie on the same line, that's why we need to add the 1. So, 30c2. If I apply that one, 30c2 minus 8c2 plus 1. Here nc2 formula I need to apply. What is nc2 formula? nc2 equals to n into n minus 1 by 2. If I apply this one, so just you can observe this. 30 into 29 by 2 minus 8 into 7 by 2 plus 1. So, if I simplify this, 2 15s, 2 4s. So, 435 minus 27. So, if you subtract this one, 435 minus 27, then this will be 408 is the answer. So, option B is the correct answer. In this question, just you can observe this, the number of rectangles on chessboard. So, before going to this, first you need to know about the chessboard format. just you can observe here, this is the chessboard. In this, you can observe that, just you can observe here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 rows, 8 columns. Possible. We required rectangles only. If you want rectangle, just you can observe here. I will draw lines here. Then you can understand clearly. Just you can observe this. This is one line. Now here you can observe here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 horizontal lines and 9 vertical lines. If you want to draw the rectangle, you can observe here, if you want to draw the rectangle, compulsory we require 2 horizontal lines and 2 vertical lines. Right, then only it will be rectangle is possible. That one you need to remember. So here how many, here you can observe this, totally here how many horizontal lines are there? 9. How many vertical lines are there? 9 only. So required rectangles equals to, here you can observe this required rectangles equals to, required answer equals to 9 horizontal line we need to select 2 into 9 vertical line we need to select 2. So we need to apply the NC2 formula. NC2 equals to n into n minus 1 by 2. So if I apply this one, 9 into 8 by 2 into 9 into 8 by 2. So it will be 4 to 8, 2, it will be 4 times, then 36 into 36. So 36, 1296 is the answer. So option A is the correct answer. In a chessboard, there are 1296 rectangles are possible. So that one you need to remember. Next. In this you can observe that forming a committee. So if you want to forming the committee, just you can observe here the given information, just you can observe that out of 5 men and 2 women. So 5 men, 2 women, a committee of 3 is to be formed. We need to form the committee, 3 members we need to form. In how many ways it can be formed? At least 1 woman is included in each committee. Compulsory 1 woman is included. That one you need to remember. That means compulsory I need to take 1 woman in the committee. That means here you can observe this. At least 1 means 1 woman I can take and 2 women I can take, because there are only 2 women only possible. If I taken 1 woman in the first committee, so total committee members are 3. 2 members I need to take from men. If I taken 2 women in the for second committee, then I need to take 1 member from men. So this is the possibilities. Therefore, required answer equals to, so 5 members, 2 men I need to select first case, 5C2 into 2C1. This is the first case, 5C2 into 2C1 plus second case is 5C1. 5 men I need to select only 1 person and 2 women I need to select 2 only, 2C2. So if I apply this formula 5C2, NC2 formula, so 5 into 4 by 2 into NC1n plus 5C1 5, 2C1 1. So therefore here 2 cancel, then it will be 20 plus 5, then it will be 25. 25 means option B is the correct answer. Like this way we can form the committee. Here these cases are most important, that one you need to remember. This is case 1 and this is case 2. These cases are most important. While forming the committee, how many possibilities are there, those possibilities we need to take. That is the important. Next, here you can see this. In this question, just you can observe that a team of 11 players has to be chosen from the groups consisting of 6 and 8 players. For example, Group A containing 6 players and Group B containing 8 players. Let us assume that 8 players. Now, the number of ways of selecting them so that selection contains at least 4 players from the first group. So, from A group, I need to select minimum 4 players. Minimum 4 players means just you can observe that in the first group, so if I select the 4 players, total I need to select 11 players. So, I need to select 7 members from here. If I selected 5 here, I need to select 6 members from here. If I selected 6 here, then I need to select 5 people here. So, because here from group A only 6 members only possible, so these cases only possible. So, now required answer equals to first case. This is the case 1, case 2, case 3. Just you can observe that from 6 people we need to select 4 and from 8 people we need to select 7. 4 plus 7, 11. This is the first team. And second possibility is from 6 we need to select 5, 6C5, and from 8 we need to select 6. This is the second. Third case, 6C6 into 8C5. Now we need to expand this one. If I expanding all those, just you can observe that NCR formula we need to apply. So 344 is the answer. Option C is the correct answer. So like this way we can do. Next, here you can observe this. In this question you can observe here, a student is to answer 10 out of 13 questions. So you need to attempt out of 13 questions, you need to attempt the 10 questions. That means 3 questions are choice. Such that he must choose at least 4 from the first 5 questions. So just you can observe here, first 5 questions I will segregate, and out of 13 remaining are 8. This is the first 5 remaining questions. So just you can observe this. The question is here, you can observe this, if you segregate like that, the question is he must choose at least 4 from the first 5 questions. So at least 4 means he can select 4, then 10 questions na 6 from here. If he selected 5 here, then here it will be 5. That is only possible because of first 5 means only 5 questions only possible. This is the case 1, this is the case 2. So now the required answer equals to 5C4, first case 5C4 into 8C6 plus 5C5 into 8C5. This is the second case. Now we need to simplify. If I simplify this one, therefore 196 is the answer. Option B is the correct answer. And now in this question you can observe that a box contains 2 white balls and 3 black balls and 4 red balls. In how many ways can 3 balls are drawn from the box? He need to select the 3 balls. If at least 1 black ball is to be included in the draw. Every draw, compulsory 1 black ball is required. That one you need to remember. So we need to segregate like this. This black balls is there na? we can take 3 black balls will be taken as one group. Remaining balls will be 2 plus 4, that will be 6. Remaining will be 6 balls. This is black. 3 black balls, remaining balls. These are the remaining. Remaining means 2 white plus 4 red balls. So now here the selection will be like this. You can observe this. Compulsory, here you can observe this. If you select the 3 balls, in these 3 balls, compulsory at least one black ball is required. So I will take 1 black ball. Here 2. If I taken 2 here 1. If I taken 3 here it will be 0. These are the possibilities. So this is the case 1, case 2, case 3. So if you apply this one, required answer equals to 3C1 into 6C2. This is first case. 3C2 into 6C1. Second case. 3C3 into 6C0. This is the third case. If I simplifying this one, 63. So here printing mistake, this is 63. Option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. That one I need to remember. Next. In this you can observe this. 9th question. So a committee of 6 is chosen from 10 men and 7 women, so as to contain at least 3 men and 2 women. If 2 particular women refuse to serve on the same committee, so the number of ways of forming the committee, that one we need to remember. So just you can observe this. This is a different cases. Just you can observe refuse. First you can observe here how many men are there? 10 men. And then how many women? 7 women are there. So at least 3 men and 2 women we required. So 6 members we need to select. Committee is 6 members committee we need to select. So just you can observe here in this question. So first case you can observe here. At least 3 men is required. If it is 3 men, I will take 4 here. Possibility is there. So next, if I take in here 4, here I will take 2. These 2 cases only possible because 2 men, 2 women, minimum at least 2 women is required. So if I take in here 5 men, then it will be only 1 woman. So compulsory condition is there. So these 2 cases only possible. If I simplify this one, this is total possibilities. So here in this case you can observe this general cases, this one. So this one equal to 10C3 into 7C4 plus 10C4 into 7C2. Now here you can observe that if you simplify this. Now this is the general case, but here particular case, one case is given. What is that case? No two particular women refused to serve on the same committee. Those 2 particular persons they don't want to serve on the same committee. So what we need to do now, the selection will be again we need to do reselection we need to do. So what we need to do here, 10 men there is no change. 10 men there is no change. But 2 particular persons are remaining 5 women we need to select. So in this you can observe these 2 persons already we separated. So 2 persons separated means we need to select already 6 members. We need to select 6 minus 2. Then we need to select 4 committee members only we need to select. So 4 committee members if you want to select here, just you can observe this. So in at least 3 members required na. So if I take in here 3, here 1. If I take in here 4, here 0. These 2 cases only possible. If I simplify this one, just you can observe that So 10C3 into 5C1 plus 10C4 into 5C0. Now if I simplify this, just you can observe that will be 810. So now here you can observe this. Now the total possibilities minus required this one. Total how many possible? Total possibilities 8610. So therefore required answer equals to, therefore required answer equals to 8610 minus 810. So if you subtract this one, 7800. 7800 means option A is the correct answer. So like this way we can do. Now next one, just you can observe this. A man has 7 friends. In how many ways he can invite one or more of them for a tea party? He want to invite for tea party for his 7 friends. The condition is he can invite 1 friend or 2 friends or 3 friends or 4 friends, up to 7 friends he can invite. For example, here you can simply observe that required answer equals to, if he invited 1 person, 7C1. If he invited 2 persons, if he invited 3 persons, like that up to he can invite 7 persons. Like this way he can invite. So just you can observe here, if it is 7C0 here, so 7C0 is missing, so that's why I will add here. So just you can observe that 7C0 I will add here, then remaining part 7C1, 7C2 plus so on plus 7C7, then subtracted 7C0. I added and subtracted 7C0. Why I added now? This one you need to remember. This complete term will be in the form of, here you can observe this, NC0, NC1, already I have given this one, NC2 plus NC3 plus so on, NCN value equals to 2 power n formula. This one you need to remember. So instead of n it will be 7. So this answer will be, just you can observe this underline part will be 2 power 7 minus 7C0 value 1. Since n equal to 7 we need to take. So 2 power 7 means 128. 128 minus 1, 127 is the answer. Option C is the correct answer. So like this way we can find out the answer. So now in the next class I will discuss about the number of divisors, and remaining part I will discuss. So please subscribe my channel and follow. Thank you.